All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a really cool little tool that was sent out to me to review. Now, I have so many flashlights, but nothing like this, guys. This is a head strap flashlight. This is going to be ideal for camping, fishing, all of that kind of jazz. Now, a lot of us know when we're out there and we're working on our drones, we're on a commercial site, and we run into one of those issues where we need to change a propeller, adjust something, whatever the case it is. So having a light like this that you can easily deploy from your bag is really going to come in handy. Now, check this out. You can actually detach this from the head strap. So if you wanted to take this off, for instance, you could take this off of the head strap, and then you could set this up more like a little tabletop light if you needed to put it someplace compact or get it really close inside of something, which really comes in handy, I think, in a lot of different ways. But most people are going to wear this with this head strap on. So it's very easy to put this back on. You're just going to line those up, lock it back in place. Now, this does come with a built-in battery that you can use and recharge. But you can also open this guy up, you can remove that battery, and you can use 3 AAA batteries if you need to in a push, okay? But most of us, you know, we're just gonna charge this guy up the normal way. All right, so check this out. This is what's impressive about this. This is a 1000 lumen light, okay? So you can easily press this little button here. You can turn on the different light modes, as you see here. You got a turbo mode, you know, so it's very bright. So if you're in there really trying to get inside and find, you know, screws and props or whatever the case is going to be, this is going to be ideal. But check this feature out. If you turn this button on, and also if I didn't mention, this is where you're going to charge this guy. This is where the USB goes in. But this has voice control. So I can say bright off, bright on, bright down, bright down, bright down, bright off. So you have voice controls for this cool little light. Really nice strap on here. As you guys can see, it has that anti-slip, sweat resistant material. This is completely adjustable. So even if you have a head as big as mine, you can still accommodate this guy with no problem. I like the whole concept of this. Really nice, compact. Throw this in your bag, make sure to recharge it. It's going to be great, like I said, for camping, fishing, hunting, all of those different type of activities. But for us nerds, you know, who are dealing with drones, cameras, and different accessories in bags, things like that, and you need to be hands-free a lot with your light, I think this is going to be a great option for you. I want to thank HOTLIGH for sending this guy out to me to take a look at. I am very impressed with this. This is definitely going into my drone bag. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out. Bright on. Bright off. Yeah, that never gets old.